John again, Best Choice Roofing. We're here still at Brookfield, or 80 Brookfield Drive in Lakeland, Georgia. We found a shingle. I'm not sure if this was actually on the scope, but this shingle was damaged. So we're gonna attempt a repair test on it. Just to be sure, it's this shingle here. We're going to try to not cause any damage, but that's probably what we're going to find, being that this shingle is extremely brittle around the entire house. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin my repair. Start here, find out how far this shingle goes. If I was getting in your way, man, I apologize. So, shingle starts right here. I can already tell you guys, if I begin trying to remove the shingles around it, I'm causing damage just like this. So there's this shingle that we're removing, as well as this one. I'm sorry, man. And see, just trying to lift that shingle right there, I'm causing tears. Another tear right there. Like I say, I'm being gentle. Another tear right there. And I'm not sure if you guys can see this, that mat transfer. I mean, anytime that I lift up one of these shingles, I'm getting mat transfer. Again, just to prove this is an unrepairable shingle. Let's see here. There's several damaged shingles right here. One. So we're gonna have to remove the seal right here. There again, I'm barely lifting this shingle and I'm causing more tears right here. This is not even a 45-degree angle that I'm lifting at, and I can feel it trying to tear under my hand. got the 2 shingles out. So we are going to slide in our Owens Corning. This is an Oak Ridge shingle. And if you could, just take note that the dimensions do not align with these shingles. This would tell me that this is most likely a discontinued shingle. I apologize, I did not bring my tape measure up here, but we will have some pictures for you. We don't mind sending off for a shingle report if you would like one. Actually, apologize guys, I need to start this bottom side. Right there, that looks even right. Proper position. There again, it's ripping right there. Get a few more in this next layer of shingle.
I can see where they're broken off at the old shingle. Yeah.
We'll whenever we get done here, we'll mark everything with some chalk. Again, I don't know if you can zoom in a little bit here. Here, I'll go ahead and chalk it up. While we're right here, we'll go ahead and end the video. I'm gonna finish nailing this off, but we've got tears here, tears here, tears there. I do want you to notice that the shingle dimensions are not the same. We will take pictures, measurements of those. Also notice that the mat transfer, and this has happened in several areas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish nailing this. I'm gonna take some roofing caulk and I'm gonna caulk this back, but this still is not, this is not an adequate repair. This is in need of a full roof replacement. Thank you.